I built this bot out. You can see it's running in the bottom right on the server. It entered 2 positions for the Polymarket 5-minute markets. It's got 16 seconds. I'm down 73%. It has to fall under 0.72 in 9 seconds. In 8 seconds, does it go under 0.72? Or am I wrecked? Drop! I lost. Okay, well, there's another L. Let's see what XRP did. Another L. 2 L's in a row, buddy. That's 2 L's in a row, buddy. Let's see what the total P&L is. It says on the day, $20.21. But I just started it. It has a win rate or 7 wins and 2 L's. But I think this is what you want to see. You want to see the honest truth here. And these 5-minute markets are tough. They're very tough because you're trading so often. And I just made it even tougher by having 4 symbols at the same time. So you can see the P&L is -5 here, -5 here. I launched this so far. It's a 78% win rate, but this is very early. This is very, very early. I literally just launched it. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and explain some of the code. So maybe you have an idea that you can apply to this, but this is not financial advice. And if you run this, you're going to lose money. My first 2 were else. Absolute else. Okay. So just trying to be honest here. Here's all of the code. Let's just go through it. So it's a strike sniper bot. It's using 4 different symbols at the same time: BTC, Sol, XRP, ETH. But it does have all of the infrastructure that you need in order to build out your own ideas. Because at the end of the day, nobody's going to give you a plug and play bot, but I can show you the infrastructure and you can go ahead and put in your own ideas. You can see that it's using a multi-account setup here on Polymarket. So if you have multiple ideas you want to run at the same time, you can do that. You can see these are the strategy parameters here. The size, I'm using $5 size because I really believe in that. I believe in using small size until it actually works, because why would I be running with $50 or $500 size when it doesn't actually work? You can see resolve trade. This is how you see the trade from the log. So I have a tracker in here as well, so you can track all the trades. I think it's pretty interesting. Log all the events, of course. And then this is building the client out. We're using the Polymarket CLOB here. So using the cash CLOB, August 14th is the account. You can see clob.polymarket.com here, passing the API key, API secret. You'll have to go ahead and get that. Place a taker buy. So I'm using taker orders in this because it's a faster thing. This is based off of lag arbitrage here. This is how you cancel the token orders here. This is how you get the position for the token. This is how we go ahead and get the market data needed. See market data. Okay. We're using the Gamma API Polymarket code here, API, in order to get everything we need. This is getting the actual strike price. We need to get the strike price in order to make the decisions. Get HL markets. We're using Hyperliquid for some data as well. You can see I get the book ask here. I got to calculate the shares because if I'm using $5 size, for example, it's going to be a different set of shares than if you're using $50 size. Append log, okay, fresh state. This is where we finalize things here. Remember, this is a multi-asset, and I would honestly think it'd be better to try one at a time. But, you know, I was relying on Fable 5 to look at what worked in the past of my GitHub, and then I was letting her kind of cook off that, and that's what she came to. So that's what I set out to do today, and that's what I got done. And now I'm just trying to show you all the code. Give you a fair warning though, the more you trade, the less you have. It's a lot harder to trade high frequency trading than it is a few times per week if you're just getting started. I don't think 5-minute markets are the way to go, but everybody is asking for this. I want more 5-minute market stuff. Okay, so here it is. I'll keep hacking at it. Since we do have Fable 5 now, I thought it was interesting to kind of run it here with her. You can see this is the dashboard that I built out in order to be able to see things. You can see the dashboard is running. It does look like I'm in an ETH fill here. So let's go check that out before I finish the rest of this code. You can see I'm down 18% on this. So I'm sorry, that's not the right market. I'm down, or I'm up on this one. I just got to stay under 1828, 1827, but it looks like we might lose this as well. Up 12%. Okay, let's come back to that when we get finished with this code. So you can see this is the final part of the code here where we actually run the main function. I don't have paper mode on. As you can see, these are live trades. And daily stop loss is probably something that is necessary for most people because this does turn over every 5 minutes, and 5 minutes is fast, dude.